Hello and welcome back to Affiliate Reviews. This is going to be a fairly short video. We're looking at 5 brand new podcasting PLR articles. Now, this is going to be an honest review, as usual. It's a $7 product, so it's not like if I gave this a glowing review, I would expect to make, millions off of it or anything anyway. But a couple quick things about this. This is not going to be something that I am going to recommend to you. The reason for that being 5 podcasting PLR articles. It's a total of just a little over 2,600 words, all about podcasting. Well, you aren't going to learn all about podcasting in 2,600 words. Okay? We've got very, very short, and by the way, you can publish, can you use this stuff for leads? Yes. It's not enough articles to really give you a lot of content if you're publishing it on a website or a blog or you're using it to make videos. If you are using it to make videos, this one is 600 words. That's going to take the average person at a reasonable pace 2 to 3 minutes to read. 822 words. Again, if you pace it and time it a little slower than you would probably normally talk, you might get 5 minutes out of it. Okay, these are not big articles. Now, I do want to give this guy a shout out. This is coming from Courtney. I don't know. Courtney apparently runs Brandable Tech. As near as I can tell, just by looking, I'm not going to jump over to look at his profile right now, but it appears that my guess is that Courtney is fairly new to creating affiliate products, and to his credit, his or her credit, Courtney can go both ways. Courtney is trying to create honest content. I looked at a couple of the other products that Courtney has advertised, or that Courtney has launched through. Dave or Samantha are so much easier than Courtney, because I've never known a man named Samantha or a woman named Dave. But Courtney, I know, can go both ways. So, anyway, there's a few other products that Courtney has released through Warrior Plus. The sales pages all pretty much look about the same. The prices are about the same. Courtney's clearly interested in writing content and marketing it. So I do want to give Courtney a shout out for that. Kudos to you for taking the time and putting in the effort and the risk to put out some new content. I do want to give you just a little bit of advice, and one is that I think 5 articles of this length is a little bit too little. I think if I were going to improve this, I would probably try to put together an ebook. I would probably aim at a short ebook. I would probably aim at an ebook that comes in around the 15 to 20,000 word mark, and release that with a handful, 5 is nice, 10 would be better, of articles around the same length as this. And the reason being that articles of this size, 822 words, 581, whatever, these aren't big. They are enough they're great for releasing as emails, they're great as releasing as individual articles, but 5 of this size I don't think is really enough, even for $7. I know $7 is a great price. You're not going to get somebody to write this for you, to custom write this just for you for that price, but I think this could be improved a lot. So this review is just as much for Courtney at Brandable Tech as it is for the rest of you. Again, I think this could be improved a lot. However, if some of you want to reach out and buy this because you think you can use it, I certainly want to bring some awareness of marketplace tools and products to you. So, and you might also just say, hey, you know what? I respect Courtney for trying to do this and want to help Courtney do better. So that is 5 brand new podcasting PLR articles from Brandable Tech. There will be a link to the sales page that we're looking at right here in the video description if you are interested in taking a look at this for yourself. If you purchase it through that link, I will receive a commission, but I think I can safely say with this, as with many others, that this has been an honest review. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, and check out the links in the description. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you back here soon.